Welcome to Crazy Learning. Increase and decrease in demand. In previous video, I'll explain about extension and contraction of demand. So in this video, I'll go for increase and decrease in demand. So here, when the demand should be increased and when the demand should be decreased should be shown in this video. Let's go. Increase or decrease in demand. When demand changes due to changes in factors other than price, then such changes are termed as increase or decrease in demand. So it means the demand will change due to changes in other factors. So if other factors change, then here the demand also change other than price. So then such changes are termed as increase or decrease in demand. Here changes in other factors means prices of related commodities and income of the consumer and taste and preference of consumer and other factors. If that factors should change, then automatically the demand will change. So that leads to increase or decrease in demand. Let's see. Price. Quantity of X demanded. When income is 4,000 per month, it is average household income is 4,000. Next, quantity of X demanded when average household income is 5,000 per month. For suppose, if the price is 5, here the average income of X is 4,000 per month. Then he go for 10 quantities. And the price is 4, he go for 15. Price is 3, he go for 20. And price is 1, he go for 40 quantities. And suppose the X average income should increase to 5,000 per month. Then he also make changes on his quantities and he also increase his purchasing power and he also increase his quantities. For suppose here the price is same, but here there is a change in quantity demand because here there is change in income, right? Here 4,000 and here 5,000. So 1,000 should be changed here. So likewise here he go for 10, but here he go for 15 because here X income should be increased. Then he also increased his purchasing power. So when the price is 5 and he go for 15, price is 4, he go for 20, price is 1, he go for 65. So here price is constant, but the demand will change because of this income. So here income is related to other factors. So it clearly explained that if other factors change, then the demand also change. So the change here termed as increase or decrease in demand. So when there is increase in demand and when there is decrease in demand, let's see. Increase or decrease in demand. See, at first 4,000 per month, then the price is 5. He go for 10 quantities and in next month suddenly his income increased 4,000 to 5,000. Then the price is also 5, but he go for 15 quantities. Here the demand, the quantity should be increased when compared to 4,000. When the income changed to 5,000, then the quantity should also change. Here the price is 4, but at 4,000 income he go for 10 quantities and 5,000 income he go for 15 quantities. So the demand should shift towards right. This shift leads to increase in demand. For suppose here the income is 4,000, right? Suddenly here the income is 4,000 and it is 5,000. Suddenly if the income decrease to 3,000, then the quantity should also be decreased here. Then it leads to decrease in demand. Let's see. Increase in demand. When more is demanded at the same price or same is demanded at high price is called increase in demand. It means the price is same but more is demanded at the same price because here the factors should also be increased. Then the demand automatically increased. Then it leads to increase in demand. So here change occurs due to change in factors. So such kind of change in demand occurs due to rise in income. So suddenly a person income should be increased. Then he also increased his quantity. It leads to increase in demand or a rise in price of related commodities and change in taste in favor of this commodity. So here the consumer taste also increased, and here the consumer is willing to purchase the same commodity. So here the purchasing power increase and also the quantity should also be increased. So it leads to increase in demand and increase in population. Suddenly there is more population for old people. So automatically the walking sticks demand should also be increased here. See, this is y-axis, it represents the price, and x-axis represents the demand. This is the original demand curve. When all these other factors increase, then the demand curve shift towards right. It means it leads to increase in demand. Here the demand curve shift towards right because here all the factors increase and change. The change leads to this demand. So here there is an increase in demand. Next, decrease in demand. When less is demanded at the same price or same is demanded at lower price is called decrease in demand. It means price is same but less is demanded. Because why it leads to decrease in demand? Such kind of change in demand occur due to fall in income. Suddenly the person income should be fall. It decreased 4,000 to 3,000. Then automatically his purchasing power also decrease. Then he go for low quantity. He decreased his quantity. Then the demand should automatically decrease here. Like that, a fall in price of substitute, a rise in price of complementary also decrease in demand and change in taste against this commodity. Here the consumer changes his taste and he is not willing to purchase this commodity. So gradually the demand for this commodity decrease. So here the factors change. It will lead to change in demand. So the demand should decrease here. And decrease in population. Suddenly there is a low population for children in our country. So automatically the demand for toys decrease here. So because of all these factors and changes in factors, the demand also change. So all these factors are decreased. So here the demand should also be decreased. So here this is the original demand curve. It slopes towards left because here to here the demand curve decrease. It will change here to here. So here demand curve slopes towards left. It means change in demand curve. So it leads to decrease in demand. Next, finally conclusion. See, change in quantity demand represents upward or downward movement of same demand curve due to changes in the price of the commodity. So, in previous video, I already explained about expansion or contraction of demand. See, there is a simple difference between expansion or contraction and increase or decrease in demand. If change in quantity demand, if there is change in quantity demand and change in price, then it leads to expansion or contraction of demand. And only change in demand. Here the price does not change and the determinants should change. Then it leads to increase or decrease in demand. Here the price and the demand should change and all the other factors should be constant here. That leads to expansion or contraction of demand. But here there is a change in demand. But here the price does not change. The remaining determinant should be changed here. Then it leads to increase or decrease in demand. If the quantity demand increase, it is expansion. If the quantity demand decrease, it is contraction. If all the other determinants increase, then it leads to increase in demand. If all the other remaining factors like prices of related commodities, income of the consumer, taste and preference, population, other factors should be decreased, then it leads to decrease of demand. That's it.